Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I wanted to discuss how you can close a call credit spread either early or on the day of the expiration and do it properly in Robinhood. There are two ways you can do it. So we are going to discuss both the ways in this video. If you are interested in that, then please stick around. We are going to discuss all about that. Okay, so I'm in my Robinhood account and I'm gonna take an example of the recent play that I did on Nvidia. So as you can see that I did this 510 and $515 call credit spread, and this position I opened on 12/27. I still have a week to go on this, and as you can see I'm making about 30% up on this position, right? So I'm gonna keep this position for another week, but I'm going to take this as an example to show you how you can close it early if you want, or you can hold it till expiration and then close it on the day of the expiration. So in both ways I'm gonna discuss this. Okay, so the first way is in Robinhood, they have made it pretty easy right now. So as you can see, you see a close option, right, in Robinhood. So and you what you have to do is you put the number of contracts. So in this case, since I have opened only one contract, I'll just put one. And then here you have to put a bid or ask price. Right now, since you are going to close, as an example, in this case we are closing it early, so you're gonna have to go close to the ask price, because otherwise if you go close to the bid price, that position may not get filled. So you have to go close to the ask price if you wanna close this. So you probably have to go around like close to the $80, right? So that would be your max cost that you're gonna pay. So this is basically mean that you got a credit by opening this position as $106, and you are paying $80 to close it. So you are still making about $20 in this position after closing it. So this is one way you can close a call credit spread, and I can do the same thing next week, and by that time, because of the theta decay, right, I would be making more than this as long as Nvidia is below this $515, right? And by the way guys, if you do not know, or if you want to have a better idea about the call credit spread, you can check out my other video that I made on how you can open this position in Robinhood. Okay, so that was the first way, and that is the easy way that you can do in Robinhood. The other way, right, that let's discuss that. So the other way is to break it down in two different steps. As you know, the call credit spread is made up of two legs, right? One is selling a call, which is this 510, and then you buy back that call at 515, right? So it's made up of two legs. So you can do it individually, and for that you go to the view all options, and then you go to the Jan 15th Jan 5th expiry, right? And what you have to do is you have to do the reverse of what you did to open it. So while opening, you did sell a call at 510, right? So what you have to do is you buy a call of this, and then you sell a call right above that, right? So this is what it will say as two option order, but this is exactly the same thing that you saw when you click close, right? But this gives you more clarity on what exactly you are doing. So you do the same thing here, you press here, and when you say review, right, it's gonna say you that what you are exactly doing, right? So you are buying to close your first position, and then you are selling to close this second one. So together these, it's basically doing the same thing. You are closing the complete position for a cost of about $80. Another thing what you can do is by learning this method, right? Let's say you do not want to close both the legs. You think that Nvidia has a more scope on the upside, and you just wanna close your sell call position, right? Because it would be otherwise considered a naked sell call. So you just wanna buy this call option, and you will just keep this 515 call option open, right? So you can go with that. So for that, what you have to do is you just buy this call, and by doing that your collateral would be released, and then you would be left with only this 515 buy call option, right? So let's say next week Nvidia really shoots up, you're gonna make a big profit on this position. So that is another way you can leverage this two option leg strategy. So you can actually kind of close your one of the legs and let one leg ride. However, do remember that you have to be really confident about Nvidia going really up next week. Otherwise, as you know, Theta is gonna eat up all of your profit. So that's one thing that you should keep in mind. So yeah guys, that was a quick video. I wanted to show you how you can close this call credit spread in Robinhood. And just to quickly summarize, the first way is what we discussed was you directly go and close the position, and the second way is you kind of do it the same thing manually by doing the separate legs. And either ways, it's not gonna make any difference on how much you're gonna pay to close. So these are just different ways in which you can execute this in Robinhood. That was it guys. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions around closing and call credit spread in Robinhood, do put your questions down in the comment below and I answer all of them. And if you have any question otherwise also in related to option, you can mention them in the comment box. Happy investing guys, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.